All right, I pulled out a couple more examples. These here should really just be review from Calculus 1. If you're unfamiliar of how to do these, you may want to, well, certainly watch this video, but also go back and take a look at your Calc 1 notes, and that should help you evaluate some of these limits. So we're going to use the algebraic techniques. You certainly had problems like this in the past. So with this, if we plug in the 2 and the 1, the 2 for x and the 1 for y, we get 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by the conjugate of our denominator, where you see the radical. If it was in the numerator, we'd multiply by the conjugate there. So we're going to multiply everything by root x minus y plus 1 over root x minus y plus 1. So then after we do this, this equals the limit as our xy approaches 2, 1. I'm not going to distribute that. I'm going to leave it as x minus y minus 1 times this root x minus y plus 1. And when I multiply this in the denominator, I get x minus y, and then the root x minus y, excuse me, yeah, then the root x minus y's cancel out. So root x minus y squared gives us just x minus y, not 1. And then when I multiply the 1 times the negative 1, I get minus 1. So that's what we get in the denominator, which allows me to neatly cancel these. And now I can evaluate. I can plug in the 2 and the 1 now. And actually, let me just do that here. And that's just a root x minus 1 plus 1. And via substitution, I get roots, and this should be a y. That should be a y, and this should be a y. All right, so now we plug in 2 for the x, minus 1 for the y, plus 1, which is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, so number 82, we're going to have to use what we know about a cubic minus a cubic. So this and again, the reason why if I plug in the zeros, I'm going to get 0 over 0. So our numerator can be expanded as x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. And again, if you're going to FOIL these, the x squared y's cancel, and we get just this x cubed minus y cubed. That's all over x minus y. I'm putting that in parentheses. I don't have to, but I can note that I can cancel these now. That's limit. Just have the numerator, which is this. And we plug in 0 for everything, and we just get 0.